I think the era of sort of media consolidation is definitely we're getting there. It's a short-term fix for a.
Is it a short-term fix for Discovery or a short-term fix for Scripps?
Both. They're both challenged, right? They're both smaller, basic cable companies that, in an era of cord cutting where there's just fewer and fewer subscribers every year, there's just less money for those guys. They don't have sports either, so they don't have.
No, but I would say Discovery does now.
Yeah, Discovery, Eurosports.
Eurosports, right?
No, that's good. That's big.
Yeah,
you're not.
It doesn't consider that
They have the
sports.
Olympics.
So here's the thing.
In Europe,
The economics of television in the U.S. is so driven by sports. It is true, sports is a big factor in Europe as well. It's just not the same. It just doesn't have the same driving factor.
Because it's soccer and they never score any goals. But
so if you're right, let me ask you this: you put these things together, how much more leverage? This is a leverage story.
It's a leverage game because you combine these two.
How much more leverage does a Discovery Scripps have together in terms of carriage fee agreements, given the fact that you said they don't have sports in the U.S.?
So they'll get some leverage. They'll get higher carriage fees combined better than they would separately. That is absolutely true. I think then those carriage fees are done every 4 to 5 years. They'll get a nice bump on the next one. After that, I don't think they're going to get it anymore. Because look at the pay TV universe. 3 or 4 years ago, it's about 99, 100 million. Now it's 95 million. In 3 or 4 years, it's going to be 90 million, right? So even if you're getting slightly higher fees, it's just the pay TV operators are just like, there's fewer of our customers anyway, right? They're not watching the same things. They're watching things online. If you look at Netflix, 50 million U.S. subscribers, they have a lot of the content that you see on Discovery and Scripps. They've got a lot of documentaries. They've got a lot of like food stuff already. So Netflix is sort of replicating what you normally see on cable, just on one.
In terms of the Scripps programming, what can they do to pump that programming through the other Discovery networks that are global?
No, actually, I think Discovery, 46%, about half of its business is international. I think that was a really smart move on Zaz's part, for the last few years. Yeah, I think you could take a lot of that sort of home HGTV programming and distribute it out internationally, extract some higher revenues that way. But again, these are all short-term plays.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.